Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be reacting to another BGYO video. This is their... I don't know what that first part is. BGYO FRFR. In my head, it stands for real, I don't know. But it might stand for something else. 4th anniversary vlog. But I did not know they were together. Or they debuted 4 years ago. Or I guess 4 years ago. And I only started listening to them maybe 2 years ago with their single Magnet. I think I was introduced to them through their song Magnet, and yeah, I really like that song. So that's when I started listening to them, and that's also around the same time I started listening to P-pop. But yeah, let's get into this video, see what's happening for their 4th anniversary, and please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below.
You could not have imagined how happy I am right now. With this event, it just gave me so much hope. So much hope.
Okay, dramatic music. Turn down a little bit. Did I turn down? I don't know. Oh, okay, so that's what I thought. FRFR, for real, for real. Turn down just a little bit. I guess in this case they're using the number 4 because it's the 4th anniversary. So it's for real, as in the number 4. Oh, I want some donuts. Dang, this is like a whole like a, I don't know, I guess like a party celebration and also like a fan meeting all together, like a camp or something. Everyone just gathering together to eat and celebrate them, I guess. That's interesting, like
Sobrang
this kind of event
nagulat
for
kami kasi
a pop star,
ang daming access na
pop group.
nakaabang dun sa food hall.
I'm happy that the energy is getting bigger and the family is growing bigger.
Buong araw libre tayo, automatic tayo, and pure positive energies lang.
Bumiyahe talaga sila. Kahit sabi mong napakalayo na itong lugar na to, talagang pinuntahan nila para lang maka-attend dito sa event na to. And nakaka-touch siya ng puso.
Kasi 2 years nang nagbibigay sila ng free, memorable experience with ACES. And kahit malayo, at least we were able to have this personal touch with them.
Nung una namin ginawang ganap nung event na to is patintero. At ibang mga teams, per member, may mga team niya na kasama na.
Oh yeah, someone, I think when I reacted to Patintero, the music video or something, someone told me it's like a kids game, childhood game or something. So I guess they're playing it at the event.
Leader. Kahit sabi mong simpleng game lang siya na patintero, makikita mo sa mga aces din na masaya sila.
But I have no
I
idea
don't think dahil lang kasama kami.
how to play.
I think because
I guess
enjoy lang talaga nila yung bond.
people have to run by,
Friends ng aces. Kami na
but you can't.
tinitreat din namin sila as
I don't know. It looks like people are trying to run by, and I guess you can't really move off of your spot, but you have to try to tag them as they run by. Is that how the game works?
not just family, as a friend na rin.
This
I don't know.
feels not work. Parang ano siya, vacation with all of our supporters. So Aces think.
But also, how many people can play at the same time? I don't know.
So it's like we are Aces too, and we're just one family.
But like for this kind of event, do they have security guards? Like maybe the security guard is dressed like a normal person, but I don't see any like security, just in case, because you never know.
Sobrang happy lang po nung experience. Sobrang bonding po talaga with our idols. With
Yeah, I don't know the
pag-
rules of the game.
Mga kapwa namin aces. Hindi namin na-expect na magkakaroon kami ng ganitong bond.
After nung volleyball, pumunta na kami sa Mangrove.
We had the chance to go to Lagadlarin Mangrove.
Meron kasi kaming kailangan hanapin na 4 pieces na puzzle na may BGYO sign. Ang kasama ko doon si Jello tsaka si Nate. Basta go with the flow.
Ayun, may nakita si Mickey. Nice one! Wanda!
Completed with aces.
Feeling ko hindi malinis yung laban. Feeling ko dinaya kami nila Jello.
Nangangamba na sila na merong may mga ginawa tong kalokohan. Pero promise,
He just steals a piece.
magaling na
I wonder,
Hindi ko lang alam kung may ambag ako doon.
like, I know they're having fun with their fans and stuff, but do they also perform for them at the end? I guess I'll find out at the end of the video. But yeah, I thought that I guess BGYO's team like set everything up for the fans, but I guess they also set it up for the group also, because it seems like the group is playing like all the games and activities, so I guess it's for everyone, not just for the fans.
Kasi nakahawa ko sa video, binibidyohan ko lang sila.
Feel ko nandaya yung kabilang grupo, but okay lang. May natatalo talaga, may nandadaya. My message to the losing team is sorry na. At least Aces won on our side. Next time, baka you're on my team.
After naman nung game, nagtanim kami. Mahilig talaga ako sa nature. Mahilig ako lumabas-labas. So pag nagmumotor, sa bundok, ganyan. Sa akin po ang saya nung pakiramdam na yun, na first time ko magtanim ng puno para sa kalikasan din. Kasi iba rin talaga yung halaga raw ng mangrove. So na-educate din kami dun sa event na yun.
By giving back, we wanted to plant some seeds, and we did this with Aces, and we planted it.
I wonder
Tingnan po ninyo yung sa kanya.
what kind of
Yan po, opo.
tree or plant that is. Maybe he said it in Tagalog, but I don't know.
Make a positive impact kasi it's been 4 years as BGYO, and I think it's a good way to celebrate by also doing something good for where we live.
I think yung mga simpleng ways na maging aware and
Okay, so it's their 4th year anniversary since they debuted, but does anyone know like when exactly the group was formed? Because if they debuted 4 years ago, then I don't know, maybe the group was formed like a few years before that, so they've probably been together even longer. But does anyone know like when they started, like when they got formed and started working together before they debuted?
maging concerned tayo for our environment, yun yung pinaka-importante. Kasi kung maging practical, hindi naman tayo lahat makakapagkaroon ng time or opportunity na pagtanim talaga na literal. Pero yung mga simple pag-iwas sa mga bagay na hindi makakatulong, plus points and very, very good.
Pinangalanan din namin siya. Yung pangalan nung sa akin is Jolo Bear. So gusto kong balikan si Jolo Bear. After 6 months, baka kindergarten na siya.
Thank you sa ABS-CBN Foundation, tsaka sa Lagad Laring Mangrove po. Kasi binigyan nila kami ng ganitong klaseng opportunity. So yung simpleng bagay na gano'n na aalagaan mo sila, aalagaan ka rin talaga nila.
I was interrupted by an ad, and also I noticed that my camera was blurry, so it should be focused now. I don't know at which point it got blurry, so whatever. Dang, I want some food. I haven't had Filipino food in forever.
Nag-boodle fight kami.
Because there's not really a Filipino restaurant in Seoul, so it's kind of hard to get Filipino food in Korea.
Kasi parang,
At least in Seoul. I don't know if there's another place.
Parang kaming one big family talaga na sama-sama. Parang reunion, gano'n.
Hindi naman laging nakakabanding ang fans or yung supporters. For me po, parang mas na-strengthen yung band namin as a family. Mas nakilala po nila kami, actually kaming lahat, as kung sino kami, hindi as VGYO.
Is this normal in the Philippines to have like these kind of gatherings with an idol group, or are they just doing something different for themselves? I'm not sure, but yeah, it's interesting that they have this kind of party, I guess, celebration with a group because they're kind of famous. So I don't know. It's kind of, I don't know, because I'm from America. I don't think they would do this because I guess if it was less people or they had a lot of security or something, because I don't know, because you never know these days. Someone might be crazy. I don't know, but that's just my way of thinking. But I'm glad that they had a good time and stuff. But just in the back of my head, like, you never know what could happen. So where is the security?
They are the most approachable ones. The simplest expression or the reason why I continue supporting them is because of their simple high hellos. Yung nagpapasaya palagi sa atin.
Sarap yung pagkain, pero most importantly, ang sarap ma-experience yung kausapin sila ng kumakain kasi never naman nangyayari yun sa totoo lang eh.
I started studying BGYO during the pandemic when I was reviewing for the electronics engineer licensure exam. Yung kanta nila, lalo na yung Fly Away, yung tumutulong sa akin magpakalma every time na nag-overthink ako kung kaya ko ba o if makakapasa ba ako. Dahil sa kanta nila, naging engineer ako.
First love ko talaga yung volleyball. Yun din yung masaya kasi sobrang competitive ng bawat isa. Talagang ayaw magpatalo kahit yung mga nanonood na pag sinabing outside, sasabihin nila inside daw. Pag yung naman inside, sasabihin outside. So lahat ayaw magpatalo. Kaya siguro mas tumagal yung game kasi lahat game na game.
Hindi ko naramdaman na napagod ako. Instead, mas naramdaman ko pa yung saya, mas naramdaman ko pa yung enjoyment. Kasi hindi lang boys yung nakikita natin naglalaro, but also sporty aces.
Favorite experience ko po is yung swimming time. Sobrang happy lang, like nagkaroon kami ng freedom na maging isa po kami lalo at parang mas na-feel mo na family retreat lang po siya.
First time namin makasama sa swimming yung Aces. So, memorable kasi nasa dagat.
You're gonna bounce and it's gonna break,
Tapos nakapag-hold hands.
or people are gonna fall over.
Cases na napili dun sa gagawin namin talaga dapat sa dagat, which is yung holding hands. I think what makes the swimming special kasi sobrang spontaneous nung mga nangyari. Sobrang game lahat ng aces.
Being on the beach, swimming and kayaking with each other because it's something we've never done yet. And all of the aces came out at that moment.
Para lang kaming magtotropa na pantay-pantay kami, hindi fan at hindi idol yung experience na yun, kundi magkakaibigan.
It's something that I think not a lot of other people get to do, not even just fan bases or supporters. Sometimes even families don't get the time, and people who are busy don't get the time to go out and celebrate.
Okay, so oh wait, you gotta swim to the platform. I thought it was connected to the sand, but I guess not. I don't think I've seen one of those things before. Okay, so it ends with a campfire, and I guess this is a all day, one day event.
Kasi ang layo ng lugar na to pero talagang pupunta kayo para sa event na to.
Gusto ko i-congratulate lahat na nandito ngayon kasi I didn't biro yung 4 years na yun na magkakasama tayo. Thank you sa lahat na magstay. Sobrang na-enjoy namin. Kahit wala tayong mga tulog, sinulit natin yung buong araw.
Sa lahat po pala ng gifts na binigay niyo po, maraming salamat po. And sa Team Abroad, so thank you po sa bigas kasi ubos na yung bigas ko sa bahay.
Let's show up lang lagi yung kaya natin for BGYO. Thank you.
And congratulations, BGYO. I'm always here to support you no matter what happens.
You could not have
Dang,
imagined
the
how
music turned all
happy I am
sad.
right now. Seeing so many new faces.
Just making sure I'm not blurry.
Where we were, you and us last year, when you were having the bonfire. With this event, it just gave me so much hope, and so much positivity.
Again, sobrang sulit yung araw na to. Agree ba kayo na nasulit yung araw? Masaya? And kami rin, sobrang happy kami. Gusto lang namin mag-formally, mag-thank you.
Wait, why do they have microphones on their shirts but
We always do.
the other three don't?
Thank you.
Ang daming pinagdaanan ng grupo na to, ang daming challenges, kung paano kami nagsimula. Kung talagang pag nakita nyo kung paano kami nag-start, talagang ma-amaze ka kasi parang alam mo yun, hindi mo ma-imagine
And what
paano
year?
namin yun
It doesn't show the
nalampasan,
year,
kung
so
ano
I don't know what
yung
year
dumating sa amin.
I'm still here
those videos were
because
from.
there's people who have stayed through it when we were kind of down too, and that's the most important people to BGYO, which is our aces.
Sobrang mahal na namin yung ginagawa namin, mahal na namin yung isa't isa para na kaming pamilya. Gusto naming patunayan sa lahat na kayang-kaya namin ipagpatuloy kahit ano man dumating na problema, pagsubok. Habang may mga aces na naniniwala sa amin,
Mas gusto naming parang this 2025. Dapat mapatunayan natin sa kanila na hindi kayo nagkamali na sinuportahan nyo kami.
Bago ko kayo makilala, my life was not in an okay situation. And nung nakilala ko kayo, super kong na-experience kung paano ulit maging happy sa isang fandom.
Sobrang thankful ako kasi nandyan pa din kayo, hindi kayo sumusuko na mag-spread ng love nyo, ng mga experiences nyo, ng kung anong nafe-feel nyo sa isa't isa at sa mga fans nyo.
Personally, sobrang natulungan nyo ako sa music nyo, sa inspiration na binibigay nyo. Through ups and downs, mas lalo akong naging better din as a person.
Gusto ko lang mag-thank you kasi boys are one of the reasons kung bakit 2024 has been a very colorful and a very wonderful year for me.
Sobrang laking impact nun sa amin kasi, sobrang laki pala nung naitutulong namin sa mga ibang tao when it comes to
Actually,
our
I wonder,
music, or just simple.
was this video recorded this year or was it recorded like last year and it just came out now? I'm not sure.
Things that we do, and it keeps us, motivated.
I feel like connected sa kanila. I feel like I have an extended family po sa Digital.
Oh, so they do have a different type of microphone. I just
normal selves namin.
I guess can't see it.
Usually nakikita kapag kunyari nasa stage kami performing.
Sobrang thank you po kasi kahit sabihin yung malayo kayo, nagawa nyo ng time para magka-bonding tayo.
Just to start, 2025 is gonna give us a lot more blessings. Let's just keep going.
Yes.
Happy 4th anniversary BGYO. Proud na proud ako sa bawat isa sa atin and mahal na mahal ko kayo. Kayang-kaya natin.
Okay, so that is the end of the video. I'm gonna mute it. The copyright. But yes, that's a nice event. I've never seen anything like this. Like an idol group or something are having not a ceremony, but a celebration, like a big party with their fans. Like I've never seen that before. And they're like eating with them, like just interacting with them, not like separated, like, oh, just watch them do this or watch them do that. And it's also nice to see a group like outside of the music videos and like the professionally shot videos, like just seeing like the behind the scenes stuff going on, like seeing the real person outside of like them performing and stuff. But yeah, it's a nice video to see, and yeah, more success to them in 2025. Hopefully they release more music soon, more videos and more stuff like that. But yeah, that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below. And if you want to see my experiences in Korea, you can check out my first channel, Sexy V. And if you want to see my other socials, it's right here under my face. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.